Hello. Now this question is a very important question in general organic chemistry, and it deals with the important concept that for a reversible reaction the direction that is favored is where strong acid plus strong base react and they give us weak acid plus weak base. So we can see the reaction is favored from this side, left hand side, towards right hand side. That is the idea behind when you have to check the which side is more dominant, or to locate the side which is having weak acid weak base combination. So let us see this question. So over here, if we talk about the forward reaction, this methanol molecule is providing a proton, so it is having the role of a acid represented by A, let us say, and this secondary amine is accepting a proton, so this is a base. Now let us consider the reactions in a reverse direction where product becomes reactant and reactant becomes product. So if we talk about the reverse direction, this methoxide ion is accepting a proton, therefore this would be acting like a base for the reverse reaction, and this one which contains NH2 plus, right, will be donating the proton, therefore it will be acting like a acid. Now what we can do is to judge whether the reaction is going to go in the forward direction or in the backward direction, right, we just have to check which side is having the combination of a stronger base and stronger acid. Over here it is given that pKa, I mean, if we don't consider these values also, even from our general organic chemistry concept we can solve it, right, because they are saying that pKa of CH3OH is 15.2 while that of the other one is 36, which means that this would be a stronger acid. And if I say as compared to this, so that would be acting like a acid, so CH3OH is going to act like a acid in the reactant. But then we need to compare the acid constituents of the reactant and the product. So if I compare this methanol with this, right, so this is a charged substrate and therefore more likely to react in proton donating reaction, therefore this will be a strong acid and this will be a weak acid. Now next we can also check with help of base. Out of this and this, which is a stronger base? So clearly methoxide ion O minus, see, O minus is a better basic side than neutral nitrogen, therefore this will be a strong base and this is a weak base. So reaction is going to favor in the backward direction. And if we have to say what is the label for this methanol and this secondary amine, that would be weak acid and weak base, and therefore for this question answer will be A option. So option A is correct for this.